So far, I've been enjoying my time with this microphone. 50% of the reason why I bought it was because I mean, it's stylish. It just looks good, right? But at the same time, though, it has some pretty cool functionality, like the whole if someone walks in when you're streaming or whatever, you can mute it, which is really nice if you have kids and whatnot. Yeah, I mean, the sound quality is pretty good. I mean, you can judge for yourself. I'm obviously recording with this. I've been using it for the last week for my streams, and it's just fun to have. Okay, with the glowing red mic, it's just cool, man, and it sounds good. And for the price, man, I believe you can't go wrong. I feel like the Hyperx quadcast is, I think it's a solid purchase. I'll update on it if I have any troubles. So if you're looking to upgrade your microphone, this could be, you might want to keep an eye out for this guy. Okay, see, look, my kid, she hears me now, so I gotta go. Hey, thanks for stopping by. Oh God, that muting functionality comes in handy with kids. This is like real life test right now. So this is when